What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quentin. I'm back with another video. Man, today Easter, man. So happy Easter to y'all, man. I'm just gonna do a little vlog. I might ask some questions, but right now at the moment, I'm finna go pick up my poster from my homeboy. He a YouTuber as well. I'm gonna throw his stuff up there, man. He do designs and stuff for like he made me a poster. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I go pick it up, but yeah, he hard. Y'all need to get at my boy. Let me show you. I had to pull up on my boy, man.
Y'all, what's up, man? What's up, man? Y'all know who they King Auto, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel, KINGOTTO. Make sure y'all like, comment to this video, man. I ain't subscribed to my boy, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel right now.
Y'all subscribe to him,
right
man.
Now.
Y'all see it, man. Get at my boy. He can do it all. And we finna turn up.
Oh yeah, man. It's we got a lot in store for y'all this summer, man. Really not this summer, like right now. Link up finna be real, man.
We finna go crazy.
Go crazy, no cap.
Yes, sir. Appreciate that, man.
All right, bro. Stay up.
Man.
I told her, I told her.
Why you drawing on the ground for?
I ain't even right there, bro. No.
Who wrote it?
You wrote it.
Yes, sir. What's up, YouTube, man? I'm tired. I ain't gonna catch to you, but I done went on Amazon. Somebody just take my phone. I got too much time on my hand, man. I done got on Amazon, man. I ordered me some LED light for my car to put up under my car, man. I got that right here from Amazon. I think I paid like $50 or $60. Man, this came with so much stuff, man. I will show y'all the inside of the box, but shit, I know I reported that. Let me show y'all, man. Bro, look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this. Bro, what can, bro? You got all these. I don't even know what I'm doing. Ain't no instruction or anything. They just give you a goddamn thank you for shopping with it. So, I'm really clueless. I've been on YouTube trying to watch videos on it. So, I'm gonna see what I can do, man. But yeah, I'll get right back with y'all. Man. Yes, sir. We got action. So let me show y'all. Okay. So I burnt these two wires and connected them together. And I got that, you did. So I'm finna hook this shit up. I'm finna hook this up and I'm gonna show y'all the results when I get done with it. So this is half of the process, man. I've been on it for like 2 or 3 hours. It looked good, but as you can see, I still gotta hide the wires, man. It's taking me so long to finish it, but I'm gonna finish it for the night over with. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Quay, and I'm back with another video. Man, today we at Trampoline Park, man. This is my first time being here. We finna see what it's talking about. I hope they got a dodgeball in here. I'm trying to hit a shot at somebody. But I'm gonna get to y'all when we get back in the inside. What you gotta say?
Hey, chill out, cool.
Weak ass punt. Weak ass punt. I got another punt. Let me get another punt.
What you gotta say to the camera?
Shit, I can't get it right. I ain't want to hit that lady in the head. They punching that bitch sideways. Yeah, they punching that bitch like this. I do a straight punch. Y'all doing sideways. What's up?
Are you finna redeem yourself?
Oh my.
Man, you always went to it.
That's a straight punch. Y'all don't even. Hey,
I got one.
how you feel? How you feel about your point?
I'm upset.
You upset? What you got? You ain't got no backflip?
Oh, they done put Koyat.
Hey, I bet you wanna go in there with their ass in that shadow box. Here. They doing what they doing?
And they shadow boxing.
This shit boring. Okay.
Told you, twin, I wasn't going.
Boy, I'm gonna get control on.
gotta jump high, twin. You gotta jump high. Hey! What the fuck? Yeah. I got with me.
You can't do this, man.
Well, just be head out of the way.
Oh, you can't do this.
Am I old enough to?
No.
You're not tall enough.
Yes, I am.
Oh, yeah?
You ain't nothing, boy. Who I got with me?
I'm like 1.5.
Good question.
I bet you wanna get on. Why not? Scared. Move, man. Get your little butt out the way. Hey! Tell her we were born a monkey. I got with me. Yeah. He gonna fall. Little damn spider monkey. What I tell you?
First person that made it.
Oh, heck no.
And you swear this shit looks easy. And then walk.
They gonna take.
Jump out there, walk anyway, man. Don't drop, dog. It gets slippery, dog.
They got some long ass legs. They got some long ass legs. That's all that is. Goddamn workout right here. Fucking spider monkey. How you feel, you fucking spider monkey?
I do this jump, man. I like to jump over fences for no reason. They're too easy.
But he ain't gonna wait. I'm trying to set the record. You're doing it too fast. She like it when you do it nice and slow, bro.
We hitting multiplayer.
Oh, look at that. Nice and slow.
Huh?
Step my shoe one more time. I got something for you.
Huh?
Step on my shoe one more time, and I got something for you. What's up, baby? Yeah, man, set the record, man.
Oh my God.
We're going to set the record. Set the record. I'm going to Hey, how do it feel to break the record?
Oh my God, Clay, how I feel to lose to a 9-year-old? Hey, how I feel to lose to a 9-year-old, man?
Who just won?
I was playing with him. See, you gotta let them win so they feel like they doing something.
Lost to a 9-year-old. How do you feel about
Talk to the camera. Talk to the people. How you feel? To be honest, I really don't care. Shit. I lose to a grown old ass man, and I lose to a little kid. It don't matter. You want to put these gloves on, so I don't care. You trying to put the gloves on? Trying to put the gloves on? Yeah, like I thought. Like I thought. You beat me in hockey, but you can't beat me with them gloves on.
you think you done it? That's what it is.
Nah, I'm tired. My back hurt. I'm tired.
Yeah, you.
Stop playing with me, man. I'm on winning these shit.
Yeah, ain't talking about nothing.
Number 3 is in this bitch. What he said? I used to dunk it handle.
Ah, she lying. That guy cool on fire. I can't hype you. I'm recording. Look at you missing now. Fun D. Tell niggas subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fuck that nigga. We do not argue.
Backboard.
Hit some.
See,
What's up, YouTube? If you made this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you made it far, bro, I don't want to do that.